Hello guys, welcome back friends. What's up? This is K Hayes for 5 minutes graphics. Now time to working with Photoshop. What is manipulation and how to make a footage composite by multi pictures or photos. Manipulation is like this. Select the different photos and think about it. Make a different one single photo. Composite all these photos. Open now, and we have ocean, character, soda can, and the light. Okay, select the ocean, and there is soda can. Go to tools, quick selection. Select the all model like this. Yeah, that's great. And now press Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl V for paste, and there is a little bit problem in selection. Select the all model and press V for move down the scale, rotate. Yeah, that's great. Apply. And now turn off the layer 1, select the background and select this area. Turn on the layer 1, select little bit more and go to select layer 1, Ctrl Shift plus J on keyboard. Turn off and turn on. Okay, and move this layer down and change the opacity a little bit down and go to filter and go to distort ocean ripple, and there is about size, magnitude. Press OK, and now select eraser and right click, change the size, erase this place, and now go back to this window and select the character, the all body. Press Ctrl space for move or zoom. Press Alt for erase this area selection. Ctrl C copy and paste here. Move the layer up, rotate. Yeah, that's great, and apply. And there is another one. There is a lens flare. Move the lens to this window like a drag and drop and change the size. Press Alt, change the size and apply, and go to mode, select screen and press Alt, move arrow keys, right, left, down, up for copies. Okay friends, this was about photo manipulation in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. 5 minutes graphics. See you next time.